Good day, and thank you for joining me today. In this session, I will talk about BIM certification and why you should consider getting certified, even if you already know your job. But before we start, I would like to take a moment to introduce myself and to give you a quick overview of what I do. So, my name is Holger de Groot, and I'm the CEO and founding director of Modmation. As a certified BIM manager, I guide Modmation in providing BIM consulting services, training and support to our clients within the AECO industry. In addition to my work as a consultant, I also serve as the Vice Chairperson at Building Smart Australasia and an approved training provider for the PCERT program by Building Smart International. As you may know, digital design and construction plays an ever-increasing role in all aspects of today's AECO industry. So for more than 15 years, our team members at Modmation have supported companies working with organizations and individuals in over 7 different countries. The solutions and strategies we use today reflect our years of experience figuring out what works best to keep teams efficient. So at Modmation, we therefore focus on 4 key areas, starting with the people we work with. This area is covering services such as skill assessments, training and support. In the second area, this is all about technology, covering the integration of new systems, the transformation of existing systems, and automation of repetitive workflows and processes. This is followed by the policy area, which includes BIM consulting services and the development and integration of strategies and standards. And in the last area of services we provide at Modmation is all about the process, covering information management or BIM management and BIM coordination, as well as quality assurance and quality control. So now that you know a bit more about me and what we do at Modmation, let's dive into the exciting world of BIM certification. So today we will start by looking at the challenges in BIM adoption. Next, we will explore why you should consider BIM certification, highlighting the value of certification in reinforcing credibility and knowledge. Then we will recognize the importance of BIM certification as a standardized benchmark for knowledge and skills, showcasing its role in setting industry standards. Afterwards, we will take a closer look at the Building Smart Professional Certification Program, an initiative that addresses standardization in BIM education. Next, we will explore the advantages of the PCERT Foundation program, understanding its benefits for professionals and employers. And then finally, we will give you a sneak preview of the work currently being done on the rebrand of the PCERT program structure. One of the significant hurdles faced in our industry is a lack of consistency when it comes to building information modeling, also known as BIM. Despite the wide adoption of BIM in the AECO industry over the last 2 decades, there still exists a considerable amount of confusion in BIM terminology and defining BIM processes and concepts. A survey from the BIM and Beyond report revealed that 1/3 of respondents held the assumption that by using software like Autodesk or Revit, they were already effectively using BIM. From my point of view, this already highlights the need for clarity and standardized understanding of BIM to drive better collaboration and efficiency. While a BIM adoption is a journey that involves an organization moving from the point of adoption to one of the BIM maturity stages as defined by ISO 19650, it is essential to recognize that different individuals and teams possess varying levels of competency in managing and delivering BIM projects. Some may be at what we call the crawl stage, where they are just beginning to embrace BIM principles and technologies. Others may be at the walk stage, where they have gained some experience and proficiency. And finally, some may be at the run stage, having a high level of expertise and advanced utilization of BIM. So to address this challenge, it becomes crucial to have qualified BIM professionals at different maturity stages. And these professionals play a vital role in ensuring successful project execution. And this is where BIM certification can make a significant impact. Now, that we have explored the challenges in BIM adoption, let us move on to the importance of BIM certification. BIM certification is essential because it dispels the common misconception that experience alone is enough to succeed in our industry. So while experience is valuable, BIM certification takes it a step further. It is helping you enhance your skills and knowledge in BIM and ensures that you stay updated with the latest trends and innovations in the field. So by obtaining a BIM certification, you basically invest in your own professional growth. And that allows you to stand out from the competition, making you more competitive in securing promotions or winning future contracts. So basically, it adds another layer of assurance to your competence and expertise that you are bringing to the table or to a team. As the demand for BIM capabilities increases in projects, certification becomes a vital indicator of your credibility and professionalism in utilizing BIM. BIM certification establishes a benchmark for competency assurance and proficiency in using BIM technologies and workflows. Holding a BIM certification can demonstrate that you have met an established industry criteria and have the necessary skills to work effectively with BIM. This validation of your competence adds a sense of trust among clients, employers, and other project stakeholders, giving them the confidence in your ability to deliver high-quality BIM projects. So BIM certification can also reinforce your credibility and distinguish you as a skilled and reliable professional in the BIM domain. As we discuss the value of BIM certification now, let's talk about why it holds such importance in our industry. BIM certification programs are usually designed in alignment with industry recognized standards and guidelines, such as ISO 19615 series. By doing so, BIM certification programs serve as a standardized global benchmark for knowledge and skills in the BIM field. A certified individual possesses capabilities that align with current industry standards and meet the demand of our constantly evolving industry. This kind of standardization fosters a common language and understanding of BIM across projects and organizations, promoting better collaboration and efficiency among us. So please keep in mind that a BIM certification is not just a badge, but an educational journey that involves engaging in an educational process for up-to-date knowledge. As you may know, BIM is a dynamic field, and new advancement and best practices emerge regularly. BIM certification can ensure that you stay updated with the latest BIM standards and practices. Also, there are various types of BIM certification available, encouraging professionals like you and me to continuously improve and stay relevant in the industry. Also, many organizations offer BIM training courses and certification programs, both online and offline, providing you with flexible learning options to suit your schedule and learning preferences. Choosing the right BIM certification course or program is essential for a successful learning journey. So before signing up for a certification program, it is crucial to understand its learning objectives and outcomes. Take the time to carefully review the certification guidelines and requirements, as this will help you to identify your strengths and weaknesses and prepare effectively for the certification process. Additionally, consider joining online or offline study groups or forums. These platforms usually can be really helpful for exchanging experience, tips, ideas, and feedback with other students and industry experts, helping you to choose the right program. You may already know what Building Smart is about. An open, neutral, and international not-for-profit organization that is driving the digital transformation of the built asset industry. But did you know that Building Smart can also help you to become a BIM certified through their professional certification program? So, if not, let me tell you how this works. The Building Smart Professional Certification Program, also known as P-Cert, has 3 goals. First, to standardize open BIM training content. Second, to approve and support training organizations. And third, to test and certify individuals. By achieving these three objectives, the PCERT program can provide the industry with a global benchmark for open BIM training and competency assurance. The PCERT program itself is being developed and coordinated by the Building Smart Professional Certification Committee. This is a team of specialists representing 8 Building Smart chapters, including Austria, Canada, China, Germany, Russia, Switzerland, UK and Ireland, and the United States. This collaboration of experts from around the world ensures that the PCERT program aligns with international best practices and addresses the needs of professionals like us on a global scale. Currently, there are 2 levels to the professional certification program. The first level is the foundation level, which provides knowledge-based learning. It is assessed through a series of learning courses, followed by an online examination. This program is already available in 12 different languages, and the foundation level provides individuals with fundamental BIM knowledge. The second level is the practitioner, designed for more experienced individuals. It assesses practical experience in real-life projects, providing a more comprehensive certification. Currently, the practitioner level is under development and has only been launched in Germany and Austria for testing, but it will soon be launched on an international level as well. So, once fully implemented, the practitioner level will further elevate the skills and competencies of BIM professionals worldwide. The PCERT Foundation program offers students learning outcomes which are defined globally by Building Smart International for reliability and consistency. As an authorized training provider, also known as an ATP, for the foundation level, we at Modmation ensure that our students receive a comprehensive BIM training course that meets these learning requirements. Following a successful completion of the training course, students can take the exam to qualify for the PCERT Foundation program. Once a student has passed the exam and, if they want to, optioned in for publishing their name, certified individuals are also recognized and listed in the so-called PCERT registry. That provides you as an individual with industry-wide recognition and could also be an opportunity for your career advancement. As an approved training provider, organizations like Modmation must align their courses with a body of knowledge, which contains explanatory content for all learning outcomes. This alignment ensures that training content is reliable and consistent, meeting a minimum industry standard set by Building Smart. The most important part of the program is that Building Smart itself does not provide training for the PCERT program. Instead, Building Smart supports so-called approved training providers like Modmation who are qualified to deliver BIM training. This approach allows Building Smart to ensure the program's integrity and global relevance while offering the training through a network of training providers. Additionally, Building Smart qualifies individuals against an international benchmark, ensuring that certified professionals meet a standard which is recognized across the globe. Today, Building Smart collaborates with over 100 approved training providers worldwide who are offering online training in multiple languages. All approved training providers, including Modmation, are also registered on the Building Smart website. So you can go there and you can see all the training providers that are registered by Building Smart. That enables individuals to find a suitable training organization and to start their BIM certification journey with confidence in their training provider. The PCERT program has gained traction across the globe and is provided by a growing number of Building Smart chapters worldwide. In Germany, PCERT has been operating since 2018, while in Switzerland it has been active since 2019. In 2020, countries like Italy, Austria, Russia, China, United States, United Kingdom and Ireland, Spain and Canada also started offering the PCERT program. More recently, in April 2022, Australasia has joined the growing list of 18 chapters providing the PCERT program. Additionally, there are 5 chapters currently in the development phase, showing the program's continuous growth and expansion. As I mentioned earlier, this program is not only accessible in various countries, but it is also available in 12 different languages. So this multi-language approach ensures that professionals worldwide can access training in their preferred languages, breaking language barriers and promoting inclusion. Currently, there are over 160 Building Smart registered training providers worldwide who are offering a wide range of choices for BIM professionals seeking certification. And through this network of approved training providers, Building Smart has already helped over 18,000 individuals worldwide to become BIM certified. Now, this initiative is designed to enhance the learning experience and offer more specialized learning paths for BIM professionals. So let us take a closer look at the draft of the restructured program, now being divided into 4 learning paths. So the first one is the entry level, followed by the foundation level. Then we have the management level and the practitioner level. The entry level is designed for individuals who are new to BIM and seek an introduction to its fundamental concepts and principles. It will be free online training course and exam, administrated directly through Building Smart without involving a training provider. The foundation level is the current foundation level that we just talked about, which offers comprehensive knowledge-based learning and assessment of essential BIM skills. The management level builds on the foundation level and will be for individuals who are leading the digital transformation in an organization. The practitioner level is for experienced BIM professionals who want to demonstrate their expertise through practical application and real-life project assessments. Though with these 4 learning paths, the rebrand P-Cert program will become more versatile, accommodating the needs of BIM professionals who are at different stages of their careers. And of course, each of the 4 learning paths, entry, foundation, management, and practitioner, will come with a certificate once you have completed the training and passed the exam. Additional, you will also receive a digital badge. These badges can be displayed on professional profiles such as LinkedIn and website, and serving as a visual representation of your expertise in BIM. So as we come to the end of this session of BIM certification, let us summarize the takeaways, or the key takeaways. As I mentioned, BIM certification is not just about adding a badge to your portfolio. It is an essential step to elevate your career in the AECO industry. The Building Smart P-Cert program provides a standardized benchmark for your knowledge and skills in the BIM field. It aligns with global industry recognized standards, ensuring you stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices in an ever-evolving industry. The rebranded P-Cert program will accommodate the needs of BIM professionals at different stages of their careers, allowing you to specialize and excel in your specific area of expertise within BIM. And finally, the P-Cert program does not only offer you a certificate that is endorsed by Building Smart, but it also comes with a nice digital badge for your LinkedIn profile. And I know you love it. So do I. So if you are interested, simply visit the Building Smart website for more information. Look at the registered training providers to choose from. And if you want to, sign up for one of their upcoming P-Cert training courses. Of course, you can also contact Modmation or me directly, and then we can sign you up for the next course or help you to find a training provider near you that is in your area. So with that, I'd like to thank you for your time and attention today. We may have some time left to answering any questions that you might have now. Otherwise, keep learning, and now it's your turn to become a Building Smart certified BIM professional. Thank you.